how are you?
Sandy, I'm doing good. Are you ready?
Yes.
To show us what you have? Let's get it.
Let's go.
Today we're going to be making some spinach stew with some plantain and garnishing it with some avocado and cilantro on top of it. First of all, we've got some palm oil, we've got some plantain, some spinach, tomatoes, onions, tomato paste, my chicken that's already seasoned, my egg, which we're going to be using for later on. So yeah, let's get to it. We're going to pour this in. My chicken, which is already seasoned. So it's seasoned with garlic, ginger, onions, and hot pepper. In here, just a little bit of water to get some stock, which is going to go later on in the stew. Oil, it sleeps, right? So right now it just needs to clear that, to melt, to get a clear consistency. Once that's done, we're gonna put our onions in there and start the game rolling. Get our onions. And that's gonna go straight in here. Right? This is going to sizzle for 3-4 minutes, and then we're going to add our flavor profile in there. Yeah. Add our flavor bomb in here, and we're just going to go ahead and put all of that in there. Can you smell the flavor?
I can smell it. I can smell it.
We added some salt, but I'm also going to add a pinch of salt because I grew up in Ghana, right? So it was something that I never, we never measured. Cooking. Right. We're going to add our fresh tomatoes. And we're going to let that also simmer and kind of mix with the onion. Nice color. Especially when you add the spinach and the contrast together with the green and the red, it really pops up. Okay. Yeah, so give it another maybe 2-3 minutes, and then we're gonna add our tomato paste. Our chicken is nearly done. Our spices. So this is my own personal spice mix that I made. It has some paprika, black pepper. We're just gonna add that in here. Rosemary leaf, parsley, and rosemary flakes. And bay leaves. It's essential for cooking. So we're gonna just go ahead and put that in there. Our stock. We're just going to go ahead and just dump this in. And now this is just going to the stock. Okay. Simmer for about just 2 minutes. To add some salt. Measure salt. Right? Spinach. Spinach is the star of the ingredient, and I put that last because the spinach takes less time to cook. Give it a crack, just to get it all equally mixed. We're just gonna let this simmer for 2 minutes, and then we're gonna add our egg. So the spinach is the star, and this is going to cook. As you can see, this is the final product.
The final product. You want to try it? You can't be in the corner to try it now.
Our plantain and our egg is completely cooked.